2026 HSLC exam results for Assam, CBER, are expected to be declared in April 2026. While the exact date is not yet announced, results are typically released on the official website https://www.results.shiksha/assam/cber-class-10.htm based on previous trends. Students can check results using their roll number. Expected release month, April 2026 official website, results.cberonline.org or results. Shiksha, Assam passing criteria. Minimum 30% marks in each subject. Keep checking official notifications for the specific date.